Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, it looks like Mpumelelo has found a replacement for Uvuyorazi's position already. Well, Mpumelelo said it himself that once one leaves, the other, basically there's a vacancy that's open and the other one, or whoever's behind, whoever's next in the line comes and fills that spot. Watch this video and I'll be back with the rest of my commentary.
Ima, ang kadanga, hamba shit, ang kadanga. Ima.
Now, guys, if you firstly, number one, look at the hand, that is definitely not Utirelo's hand, because Utirelo, we know Uti, she is light in complexion. That person's hand is dark. Number two, the voice, you can hear from the voice to the type of Zulu this girl is speaking, that this is definitely not Utirelo. Now, I saw another video, which I'll probably do another video on, where this girl, it's as if she's sitting in the car and Mpumelelo is outside and she's taking a video of him and she's speaking on it. So you can tell it's definitely not a cousin, a relative or anything like that. This is possibly his girlfriend. I actually saw Utirelo actually shame Mpumenelo's picture, this set of pictures, because he firstly posted a picture and then the second one was like the video, which is the one which you just saw. She shared the picture. And one thing, guys, Utirelo does not usually share Mpumenelo's pictures. The person who used to share Mpumenelo's pictures is Unosipho. Utirelo hardly ever. So I think Ugel shared it on purpose. Remember Utirelo says Uti, there's nothing that Mpumelelo does not tell her. So I feel like her sharing it is her kind of telling us, listen, I know that there's another girl who has kind of filled that space, that vacant space. I know about it. I approve of it. Mpumelelo, on the podcast that he was on, he said when a girl comes into the circle, they have a conference call. So Utirelo, she has had a conference call with this girl. She knows about the girl and she knows what's basically going on. Even for Mpumelelo to post a video where we can hear her voice, I feel like it's him basically saying, yeah, so Wunjal. And now we know, guys, it's not someone new. Mpumelelo, besides the girlfriends, the main girlfriends he has your side chicks. So these side chicks, it looks like they are in a line. And every side chick is waiting up until one of the main girlfriends goes out. The moment one main girlfriend goes out, the other one comes in, guys. So yeah, guys, I guess that was Tirelo saying, I know about this one as well. Like, Ninga Tugi, don't even come with me and tell me about this, because I know about it. Ugel has proved with Yena and Umakumaro, same WhatsApp group. I don't know how they do it, but clearly they need to give some of us an A. In fact, now I don't even want the notes, because that shall not be, his Tembunje will not be my portion. That is not for me. But yeah, that's, I guess, Mpumelela's way of confirming that, yeah, someone has filled the spot. But yeah, I don't know why he would do it now, and there's so much noise about, Vuyorazi and him wanting to prove a point. But one thing about Mpumelelo, he doesn't care. And that's that. And that's on period. Anyway, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.